Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. So if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $27.35. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen since full particular day, we have seen there is a green candle is forming. But from 2-3 days we have seen it is moving in this range. So as soon as the range breakout happens, we can see a further upside movement or a further fall we can see. Looking at this chart, we can see that the price of gold is trading at a level of $27.25. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a pattern, narrow pattern forming. You can say, see, it is trying to go narrow at this particular range. So once started going upside, a further upside movement we can see. We have not seen there is a good volatility in the market, but see, this is the range where the price of since 2 months. Okay, if the price started falling below this particular level, a further fall started moving above this particular level of 2063, we can see will probability of touching this level also will be there. As we know, there are different events are coming in 2024. We can see a good volatility in the crude price also and the gold price also and other commodities. Okay, if you want to see for natural gas, silver, I have made separate video for it, so you can watch it. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. My telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that. See, look at this particular chart. Chances are very high that we can see a further upside movement. So if the price sustains this level, we can see it will go towards this next resistance of $2033.90. Okay, if the price moves up that particular level, because 2033.90 is already being tested here, so chances are high we can see it will go towards level of $2039. Okay, and if that sustains, a further upside movement we can see, because 2039 is also being tested here. So chances will be high, a further high we can see towards 2042.9. Once the price started sustaining these two levels, a further upside movement we can see, and from there a probability of going to 2047. Keep that in mind that these resistance plays an important role, because at these levels profit booking comes or a bounce back comes. Okay, so once started going up to 2047, a further upside movement we can see towards $2051, and from there a further high towards a level of around 2056. Keep that in mind that as soon as started sustaining 2056, a further high we can see, and from there a probability of crossing a level 2063 also we can see, and from there then there will be a zone breakout. So chances of going towards a level of 2081 we can see, and then a further high we can see. Okay, and there will be a trend breakout will also happen, so we can see a further upside. Okay, if you look at the dollar index also, dollar index is also trying to go upside. Okay, but overall trend with the trend of dollar index, there is a continuous downfall we have seen. After that it is trying to go upside. Okay, so there is an inverse relation between DXY and dollar. So probability can be high that if the price started falling below a level of $102.6, again you can see there will be a rise in the price of gold. Okay, now trading at a level of 2047.42. Okay, so suppose the price been sustained, what we can see, suppose if the price been sustained, it can come down again towards a level of 2021.62, which is already being a weak support. So chances are high if the price fall below that level, we will see a level of 2050. Okay, and if it started moving below this particular zone, a further fall we can see towards a level of $20.08, and from there a further downfall towards a level of around $20.003. Keep that in mind that as soon as started falling below a level of $20.21, chances are very high it will move further low towards $20.08 to a level of 20.03. If it started moving below this particular zone, we will see it will fall further low, and yes, it will move below a level of $20.002, and then a further downfall we can see towards 1995. There is a higher chances that as soon as started going below this particular zone, a further fall we can see, from there a level of around 1987 also we can see, and from there a further fall. Okay, see, remember something, there is a clear pattern forming that will shows that there we can see a further downfall below a level of 2000, and then there is a probability of touching 1987. If it started moving below this level, a further downfall we can see towards 1983, and from there a level of around $1975. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me and getting the mail in the description. Keep that in mind, there is a clear pattern forming. If the price price started sustaining above 20 $48. Okay, then a further upside movement we can see because there is a clear indication towards it. Okay, always try to set your SL, whether you are a big trader, you are a small trader, or you are a beginner. If you are keeping your habit by setting your SL, it will save your capital in the future. Okay, and then once you are in profit, try to trail your profit. These two things if you are doing, you can sustain for a longer period of time. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.